This 2025 Lance Truck Campers 650 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mesa, Arizona, 85202 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Mesa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 15 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features U-Shaped Dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.